we've got a whole group of air conditioners. We've got this old 1980s Lennox central air conditioner. And this other Lennox. But man, this one is filthy. Yeah, I think I just hit a jackpot by this air conditioner heaven. This is probably from... I can't tell. Manufacture date at 51. That doesn't make sense. This is a little newer. Probably 2000, I guess 2010. And then we've got this old American Standard. Reagan's something. I'm about to find out what kind of American Standard this actually is. I can't. Part of the data sheet actually worn off. There we go. It's hard to see the manufacture date on this thing. But we've got a GMC, which I'm pretty sure is a rebranded Goodman. I'm not gonna go to the data sheet, since I'm pretty sure that just like a Goodman, the data sheet, on the data sheet you have to duck down. But we've got a Goodman. What is this? Oh, whoa, this is a trade executive. This is pretty old. It's a data sheet. And then we have a Carrier Tech 2000. Like, every single one of these is actually different. I'm guessing 2003. Is there more on another side?
I don't know. You can check.
Okay, I'll check everywhere. Oh, this is the armor unit. That's a Goodman. Pretty sure next to it, right next to it, is another GMC. Yeah, these are actually someone's apartments. June of 2008. This is from August of 2001. American Standard Heritage. Heritage 10. Then there's Carrier. I guess that it's probably a Carrier Comfort. It's either from 2011 or 2016 or 2021. Oh. Yeah, this is a GMC. It's good to hear it's running. Fan's not very powerful. Gonna go all the way around the building, okay? Oh, this GMC turned off.
We're gonna go inside for a minute.
Okay.
You wanna go check out the condo?
Yeah, I'm gonna see the inside.
Okay.
There's some more air conditioners over there. What is this? Is this some random doorbell?
That is, it's an intercom system.
Oh. Whoa. It's an apartment. Yeah, I'll go check out the upstairs too.
Okay.
Protected by ring. There's a vent over there. Gotta check out the downstairs.
We'll be all the way up.
Okay. Another vent. What is in here? Oh. I think I should be touching on that. And yet another vent. I wish I lived here. Yeah, let's see if we can find like an air conditioner. Nope, they're not on the balcony. And we're not even below any. What, can we go check out some more air conditioners? Because in the other buildings there's other air conditioners.
Yeah, this is back here.
It smells nasty in here.
It smells nasty.
Yeah. An old wool, like an old Whirlpool dishwasher. It's an older one. The logo's older. There's an exhaust fan right there. This whole thing is empty. Guys, let's get into the intercom system. But this room is completely empty. Still not behind it. Still not below any air conditioners whatsoever. Oh wait, there might be a crew here. An old General Electric furnace. Then this place has a General Electric. I'm holding the door for you, Aaron. You're welcome.
Okay.
Now we can go check out more air conditioners. And like other condos. Oh, this Lennox turned on. Yeah, more air conditioners over there. This airflow. This Lennox Millet, I believe. Wow, this is a big carrier. What is this? A Guardian. Train XE 1000. High efficiency. The data sheet is literally all worn off. Seriously. Oh, there's an air conditioner over there. I can't go to it. Train XR13 from July of 2008. We've got a Gibson. Yeah, a Gibson. What is this? It's a Duquesne. Train XR. Where's the data sheets? It's February of 2015. Train XR11 from July of 2003, and it's a Mirror Star. What's the data sheet like? I've never been by an Mirror Star before. Since this is an apartment building, I'll probably get busted. I might. I wonder, what if? Lots of air conditioners over there. Like, there are so many. Like, this is probably a never-ending central air conditioner heaven. See what this big fat guy is. This big fat guy is an Evcon. Got this Ream Value series from July of 2011. What is this big guy? It doesn't even say. What is this? Probably an XT1000. March of 1995. What is this? Pretty sure it's a Carrier. It doesn't have a logo, but I'm pretty sure it is. Whoa, this is a mystical. This thing's an XL15i from June of 2011. I'm going to that building. Comfort Air, a Miller Star. What is that big guy? A Concorde. And another Miller Star. Geez, a noisy New York. Whoa. A stamped octagon wheel. 10 seal. And it's a heat pump. It's from May of 1999. This is a good place to continue. Is it? Yeah, this is never in there. Oh, it says Burger War. Didn't I already see these? Yeah, actually, we already saw these. But now we're building them. I guess something else must have started up. I'm not sure if this airflow was running all the time. Didn't I already film all of these? I don't think I did film all of these actually. This Train XE1000, another one, of course. Data sheets on the other side, I guess. June of 1998. This is probably a vintage Goodman. Yeah, it's a vintage Goodman, kind of like the one at the Tech. What the? Ah! I'm not gonna make it. I did. 2014 Train air conditioning. American Standard Heritage. It's the old logo. Heritage 10 from February of 1994. Man, this is a big Lennox. It's probably a Merit. And it's Goodman. It's not been running. I need to go to the bathroom really bad. But I can't stop. Like, this is probably gonna be a 20 minute long or more video. I thought I already filmed these ones. Yeah, I did. But did anything turn on or turn off? This Ream has been on. Oh, but this carrier turned on. I don't remember filming any over here. Let me see if anything else actually turned on over here. But York has been on. I think that Concorde must have been on. Oh, that comfort air probably turned on. That American store didn't either. Yeah, this was a never-ending air conditioner heaven that we just put an end to.